So let's say you're a bit tired of Hanoi and want a small city getaway with a complete change of scenery and climate. But at the same time, you don't want to go too far. No airplanes or trains, just a quick motorbike ride. In this video, I'll talk about a place that is perfect for this. A small town in the highlands, just 2 hours away from Hanoi. My sister and I drove to Tam Dao to spend our slightly extended 3 days weekend. The trip was made in early December and the weather was just perfect for a motorbike ride. Warm, sunny day, temperature around 25 degrees Celsius, ideal for a motorbike ride. Road to Tam Dao is rather easy. Most of the time we were driving through highways that are in a quite good condition. The only challenge were trucks that tend to appear out of nowhere and always want to push you off the road. Driving in Vietnam is never too relaxing. The road gets a little bit more fun and challenging when we get close to Tam Dao. The town's elevation above the sea level is around 1,000 meters. In order to reach the town, we had to drive through a very beautiful and windy road. Despite the low season, the road was still rather busy, but generally I'd say that it was a very enjoyable and scenic ride. The town has a few attractions worth visiting. The first one is the view of the castle, which apparently is called Chateau de Tam Dao. Yeah, sounds absolutely ridiculous, I know, but it does look pretty. When we were there, it was still under construction, so that we couldn't get close to it. Apparently that is going to be a luxurious hotel. It's probably gonna have a great view on the valley, but for now you can only enjoy it from the side, which is still not too bad. There's also a nice cafe right next to it. They serve some hot drinks that really helped us to stay warm. Talking of which, the temperature on the top of the mountain is about 7-8 degrees lower than down in Hanoi. It does make difference, and in December it felt rather chilly. But I imagine in summer that place must be an ideal retreat from Hanoi in 40 degrees Celsius heat. Right after checking on the castle, we headed to something a little bit more historical. On the opposite side of the town you can find Tay Thien Temple, also known as Mother Temple. To get there you'll need to walk up the stairs through the bamboo forest, and then you'll see a beautiful complex with some traditional statues and pagodas. There's no beautiful view from the top though. All the construction works now are kind of spoiling it. The last thing for us to do was checking Silver Waterfall. It's quite challenging to find. There are no signs or marks that would lead to it, while locals don't speak English at all. We had to spend about 20 minutes circling around the area until we found the path that led to it. Can't say it's super spectacular, especially after Banzok Waterfall, but still something to see, and I imagine in a rainy season it looks even more dramatic. And that was it for the trip. After checking the waterfall, we packed our stuff and headed back home. The ride was a bit tiring after all that walking up and down the hill, but overall it was a great weekend break. Not too far away from Hanoi, but at the same time distant enough to give a feeling of something new and fresh. I'll probably come back to Tam Dao in summer. It must be really pleasant there when it gets super scorching hot in Hanoi. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do leave a comment to it. Are there any other nice places around Hanoi that would be good for a quick city getaway? Please like and subscribe, and see you soon.